So I remember making buttonholes as a kid when they were hard.
You just put your button in there like that and it measures your button.
So see this right here? It just goes down, and on this one it's going to go behind that first because it's going to let it know between this gap when it's there. Right. So as soon as I drop that, we got a green light.
You got a green light.
There we go. We're going.
Yeah. What I learned early on was to take a straight pin and put it at the base of your buttonhole like that. Then I'm gonna start, I usually start in the middle, okay? And I'll take my seam ripper and just push that. And once you get to that pin, it's not gonna go through the end of your buttonhole there. So then you can take it and move it back to this end, and then turn it around as if you're starting in the middle. That's just a habit that I've always had. And then there you go, and then your button.